Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and I have a crazy story to share. Are you ready for an underwater adventure? Let's dive in. Imagine a magical world filled with colorful fish, wiggly octopuses, and a big smiling whale. That's where I went under the sea. It was like entering a whole new universe. First, I met some fishy friends, and guess what? They were just one color. Oh no! They were like a rainbow. Red, blue, yellow, and even sparkling silverfish. As I swam deeper, I saw the most amazing coral reefs. The corals themselves were like a skyscraper for an underwater city, tall and colorful, with hidden spots for all the sea creatures to explore. But wait, the adventure didn't stop there. As I met a wise old turtle who told me stories about the sea. Turtles have been around for a very, very long time and they know all the secrets of the ocean. This turtle showed me how to swim gracefully and even how to say hello in turtle language. But the most magical moment was that I saw a real white mermaid. She had a long flowing hair and a sparkling tail. We chatted about the magic of the sea and she gave me a special underwater seashell as a souvenir. I promised to visit her again on my next sea adventure. As I swam back to the surface, I couldn't believe all the incredible things I had seen under the sea. It was feeling like a dream come true. I waved goodbye to my fishy friends, the coral reefs, the turtles, and even the mermaid. It was the best adventure ever, and I can't wait to go back and explore again. Thank you for listening to my story. Bye bye.